Hello, so in this video I will tell you how you can increase your website speed on GT Matrix. So this is my personal portfolio website, and here you can see I've added my services and I've created some products that can help you grow your social media. If you want to create a similar website like this one, then you can go to my channel and you can go to playlist, and here I have created a playlist zero to launch portfolio website creation. So you can watch this first video to start, and in this video I have created complete website design, and then we have enhanced the functionalities. So let's come back to the video topic. So first of all, we will have to copy the URL of the website and we will check its speed on GT Matrix. So here I have opened the GT Matrix. I have created the account on GT Matrix and I have logged in. So now I will paste the link over here and I will click on analyze. So it will take its time, so let me fast forward this video. And here you can see the grades of the website. So you can see they are very bad. So we will go back to the website and we will go to dashboard. And now we will install a new plugin. So we will scroll and click on add new plugin. So we will use Nitro Pack. We will install this plugin Nitro Pack by Nitro Pack Inclusive. So we will activate it. So now we will have to scroll down and we will go to the plugin settings. And here you can see it says Nitro Pack is disconnected. So we will click on connect to Nitro Pack. And here we will have to create our account so we can sign in with Google. So here I have chosen the free plan and we will click on add. You can see Nitro Pack is connected and we don't have to make any change. And we will go back to GT Matrix and we will click on compare. And here we will add the URL of the website again and we will click on compare. So now you can see the grades of the website are increased a lot and both are turned to A. So we have just installed a plugin and we have connected its API and it has improved our grades. So that's how you can improve your website speed on GT Matrix. Don't leave the video. I have another tip for you. For that you can go to my channel and here you will have to search for load faster. And here you will see how to make images load faster on website. So you can watch this video to increase your website images speed so they will load faster, and whenever user come on it they will not have to wait, and this technique will help you increase your grades even more. So if this has not made your grade like A, so thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more related videos, and please don't forget to comment on this video so my video reach to more viewers. See you next time.